So like I was saying, new box on Try Hack Me, LookBack. I already did it, and it was a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and go through it. We'll start off with a Rust scan, right? Obviously here. And we got 480, 443, 3389. 3389 also takes forever to open up, so it's whatever. But let's go ahead and map that port 443, see if we get anything there. And then let's also go ahead and check out what's going on over here. We go and hit that. We don't get anything back. Let's try it with HTTPS. All right, and we have our certificate here, and we can see that it is going to be that DNS name, like right there, that win, whatever the crap, .thm.local. So let's go ahead and let's actually put that into our Etsy host, which mine should already be in there. And it is right here. So we can go ahead and throw that in our Etsy host and call it a day. I also had thm.local there. That was for testing. We get rid of that. Let's go ahead and run a Fear Buster on it. And while we're doing this, we'll open up that normal site there. We'll go ahead and we'll check this guy out over here. And we can see that we get to this OLA page. So from here, I decided to start messing with things. And I saw this test like right here. They actually pointed out to me a lot, that test. So this is a 401, not 404. I thought that was really weird. But I started to try a couple different things. And I decided to try just airmon-ng. And all of a sudden we get this something went wrong. A mailbox couldn't be found for thm-admin. And where I actually found that at first was actually the ECP. So within the ECP, the Exchange Admin Center, this is actually where I very first figured out when I did airmon-ng. I saw this, I was like, huh, I'm signed in. That's weird. So I tried it over here and actually got it there. So we go to more details, whatever. But now that we're signed in though, we're logged in, right? Supposedly, we can try to do other stuff. So airmon-ng, and we do get in. So we get into airmon-ng like right there. So that's a pretty easy day, okay? Doing that /test, which we found over here, which had the 401, which tells us that we need to log in to get to it, right? So everything else doesn't really look like it's much. That 401 one does, so that's what made me like, what the heck is that? Right? From here, we just see path, and then I went ahead and went to see users. And as you see, it's actually adding see users. I was like, oh, that's weird, okay. So I decided to star, okay. And no matter where we go, you get permission denied. So I was like, okay, that's really weird. No matter what I do, I'm getting permission denied, but there is a see users on here. And obviously we're going through C to see users. So obviously not getting denied that much, right? So let's go and try user /star. And we would 100% we get more information. If we were being denied, we wouldn't even see this. So we have dev. Okay, let's try users dev /star. Okay, cool. And we have more information here. So I decided to start looking through this stuff, like users dev desktop, maybe /star. See if there's anything on desktop. And there is. Okay. So we get this, hey dev team, this task for deadline, blah, 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 okay. And then we get these different email addresses, right? We know Exchange is running on here. Okay, we know it's running. So why don't we go ahead, head over into Metasploit, because if we actually search exploit Exchange, not Outlook, but Exchange here, right? Our web app has quite a few different things, like this 2019 one, authenticated remote code execution, unauthenticated email download. So we got quite a few things here, right? So let's go ahead and search Exchange down here. Now I always forget which one it is. Always forget which one it is. So let's go ahead. I want to say it's proxy shell. I want to say it's this one like right here. Not this one or that one. I want to say it's proxy shell. All right, so 14 we'll try. So let's go ahead and use 14. You'll notice that it is a newer one, right? Set our email to that email that we just found, right? We also have some other emails here, but I'm gonna go with out of three of these emails, I'm going to go, it's going to be dev infrastructure. He's probably going to have the most rights. Set L host to myself. Set our R host to our machine over here. Let's see what else we got here. We could try that like right there, but like I said, I don't remember if it's this one or not. And it is, okay. So if you don't see this CVE 2021-34473, then you're in the wrong place. I also tried to get this thing to work just without Metasploit. So I did just try to look it up and want to see if there's anything I can get with it. This one at least got me a shell, but none of the commands worked. So that didn't really work very well for me. This one wouldn't even get me a shell like right here. So let's try this guy out here. Let's see what this one does. Give this one a try like real quick. Why not? So let's see here. We have the URL. So we got to do the URL, right? Let's go and grab that URL. It's actually not even that like right there now, is it? It's actually going to be this guy like right here, huh? The email, right? So we got that dev email, whatever it was, right? And by the way, the final flag is the administrator's documents, not desktop, okay? Email, that says token shell. Let's try just enter there. Target 3-hour range token. I don't know what I mean by token. Alright, but we do get the shell down here. It's weird, token. But if we do over to C, users, administrator, we will see, CD into documents. There's our flag.txt. That's our final flag. And then that's it for the whole thing. So hopefully you guys learned something. Hope you guys liked it. And yeah, I will talk to you all later.